What will win in a drag race between an Audi RS5 and an old Honda Civic? Well, we're going to find out because I'm going to race them over the standing quarter mile. I'm Matt Watson and you're watching Carwow. Or should that be Car Weird? Buy, sell, Carwow. Right, let me tell you about this RS5. So it's got 2.9 litre twin turbo V6, puts out 450 horsepower and 600 newton meters of torque, driving all four wheels via a quattro all-wheel drive system and an 8-speed automatic gearbox with a torque converter. Though it does sort of have launch control. This car weighs in at 1.7 tonnes and costs £75,000 new, and it's been lent to me by a very helpful lady called Destiny out here in the States. Thanks, Destiny. Anyway, let's find out about that weird Honda Civic from its driver, who's also weird. It's racing driver Sam. Hi, Sam. How are you?
I'm very well, thank you. Do you like my car?
It kind of suits you.
It does, doesn't it? It's my spirit animal car thing.
What is it?
This is a Civic, they call it a Wagovan. They came as a four-wheel drive, which is a kind of cool thing about this. 2.4K series engine, but this has been modded. So we've got a single turbo. It's got 834 horsepower, this thing. It's got 817 newton meters of torque. It's 1.1 tons. It is made by Bisimoto. It's got a 5-speed sequential and it'll set you back 40 grand, 5 of which was the car.
£40,000, but it has over 800 horsepower.
Yeah, check that out. And I've got a sequential gearbox, so that's just cool in itself.
So wait a minute, did that car as standard come with four-wheel drive, like when you bought it normally?
So I had a discussion with the owners and they say most of them did come as a 4x4, but then there were a few that got through the net apparently that were front wheel drive. The Wagovan, as they know it, was a 4x4.
Right, okay. But then the engines are not standard in any way, shape or form. And they must have had to like beef up the drive shafts and stuff like that for all the power they're putting through them.
Yeah, I'd imagine so. He didn't really talk to me about what he's done to the drivetrain. It launches pretty hard, so I would imagine they've been beefed.
So wait a minute, your car is lighter and more powerful. This is just going to be a one-horse race, surely?
Yes and no. So this has got so much grip and quite a big turbo to generate that monster horsepower. If I don't get enough wheel spin off the line, I'm going to fall out of boost and then it's going to have to catch up again. So I think the launch is going to be quite interesting. You may pit me off the line and then we'll see where we're at. I think it's going to be quite an interesting race.
Well, let's find out, shall we? Oh, before we do, let's do the customary Carwow sound check. I'm going to rev this up. And enjoy an Audi soft limiter. No. Ugh, Audi. All right, Sam, let's have a listen to your Civic. 1-0 to the Civic. Though, can you smell race fuel in there?
I can smell everything flammable in here, is the only way to describe it. It's kind of an uplifting scent.
Good job you haven't got a sparky personality, otherwise there could be a big explosion.
Oi, oi.
Anyway, right, hopefully there's not going to be an explosion as you rock it off the line and like shred the car's internal bits and pieces. But let's see what happens, let's do this, let's have a drag race. Now before you race, if you're thinking about changing your car, you can do the whole process through Carwow. All you have to do, right, is just go onto Carwow by clicking on the pop-out banner up there or follow the link in the description below. Do that now, right? And then you can just simply like browse through various reviews of cars to decide which one's right for you. Then you can compare offers from lots of dealers all across the country to make sure you're paying a fair price for your next car, and you can even sell your current car through Carwow by uploading photos of it, giving a brief description. Then dealers all across the country will bid on it in an online auction. It is a destination for changing your car. The service as well is completely free and dead easy to use. Now if you want to do that at a later date, just simply Google "Help Me Carwow" and we will help you change your car. Now let's race. I have no idea what's going to happen. Can you hear me with your helmet on?
What?
Say that again.
I say, can you hear me with your helmet on? Obviously not.
Yeah, no, sorry, I can hear you fine.
Okay, let's see what we can do. Good luck, Sam.
Good luck, Matthew.
You're taking it very serious. Are you going to down visor?
Yeah, just to stop my eyeballs bleeding and peeling mainly.
Why would they bleed and peel?
Yeah, I don't know. It's painful. I don't know what's happening though.
I don't know what he's on about. Right, let's do this. Oh, we did a good launch off the line. This is gone. Where is he? Oh, he's coming now. No, he's not. I don't know what's going on. Oh my God. Here comes the line, and he's not catching. I think that's possibly the best time I've ever done in an Audi RS5. Do they make them quicker for the US market? Bear with me. Look at Destiny's, all the receipts and stuff like that in here. Oh, and some monies. Oh, a roll. Oh, yeah. Some monies down here. Oh, gosh, I'm just dropping $. Sorry, Destiny. There. Put your $. Back. Hello. How was it?
It's got a load of grip off the line, so I'm bogging. It was good. It's good fun. It's very dramatic for the outcome. I'd say that. I want another go.
All right. It's very easy for me to launch this again. Oh, we got some wheel spin there. The front on his car just absolutely spun up. This is getting quicker still. I just saw your front tyres spinning away like crazy, so you did get wheel spin. I don't know if you got any at the rear though.
Yeah, so it bogs a little bit on the launch, which takes the turbo out of its spool, and then when you're rolling, the turbo gets into its spool and just fires the tyres up. It's good fun though, it's crazy.
But it's not worth doing it again, is it really?
No, I think the rolling is going to be interesting though.
I bet it is actually, but before we do that, let's do the thing. So then what exactly happened? Well, the Audi won. It completed the standing quarter mile in 11.8 seconds. The Honda took 12.6 seconds. Right, now we have a rolling race from 30 miles an hour. I'm going to be in second gear. He is going to be in first gear. So he's nicely in the boosty zone. So, right, here we go. So, Samuel, get level. You can't hear me.
Matt, you'll need to use your hand. I can't hear a thing.
I need to use my hand apparently. Okay. God, that's noisy. So here we go. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, it's so noisy. Oh, it's coming now. That actually hurt my ear. I think I'm deaf.
You have no idea. I'm bleeding in here from every hole my body contains.
Have you got earplugs in?
No.
Oh no! That was really funny. So I was ahead of you, and then was it 4th or 5th gear you got into and you just went bang past me?
Yeah, there was an explosion and I overtook you.
When did that happen? What gear?
So that was 3rd, pulling to 4th.
Wow, that was immense. That was absolutely crazy. What should we do now?
A little is good, more must be better.
I'll tell you what, let's have you in second gear. We'll do 50 miles an hour and I'll be in 3rd gear, okay?
Yeah, cool.
So Sam, I don't know if you can hear me, but my ears hurt after that. So rather than me having the window open, how about you call this one in on the radio?
I'm too busy, Matt. I've got a sequential and the steering wheel doesn't sit right, so I'm right hand down.
I can see your hand through the glass, so if you want to do, yeah, that's fine.
You just sit in that nice comfy car and I'll do all the work here. How's that?
Yeah, okay. That's what we pay you for. And to look beautiful as well, of course.
Say that once more.
I don't think I want to. So, this one's going to be from 50 miles an hour. I'm in 3rd, he's in 2nd. Here we go. here he goes. Wow. Wait a minute. Loss of pressure? It's higher than the right? Tyre pressure loss? What? That makes no sense to anyone. Look. Why is it saying loss of tyre pressure when it's more... I don't understand. So the same thing basically happened again. You know, once you pull forth, that thing just takes off.
Yeah, it's really on song now. It's weird, it's got like 2 levels of boost in it, but it's only a single turbo, so I'm not sure, but this is a cool little thing.
How do you feel about a brake test?
So, it's a very short wheelbase, it's a very stiff little car, it doesn't have ABS, but yeah, I'll give it a go, whatever you want.
Let's do it then. What speed would you like to do it from?
There's only one speed we do the brake test from, Matthew, and I won't have anything else said.
What? You can do 100?
Yeah, man.
You want to do a brake test from 100 in that with no ABS?
Yeah, man.
All right.
Yeah, man.
Now we can have a brake test from 100 miles an hour. We're going to let Sam set the pace, so I'll get level with him. When we reach the line, full emergency stop. Car to stop in the shortest distance wins. However, if you'd rather watch another drag race with a crazy Honda Civic, click on the pop-out banner up there or follow the link in the description below. If not, stay here for the braking test. Here it comes now. Right, Sam, so you lost that, but also, in my opinion, you won too, because you did a great job considering that has no ABS. Brilliant work.
Thank you, sir. Yeah, that's it's really difficult to feel which wheel was locked there. I think initially the rear's locked, and then as the rear sat down, the front's locked, so I was trying to manage that and let the wheels rotate through the braking zone, but yeah, it felt quite good.
Wow, what a crazy car. Gotta say thanks to the guys that lent it us, so Bisimoto, thank you very much. Thank you, Destiny, for lending me your car. It's performed brilliantly. The quickest RS5 I've driven, and it's completely standard. Maybe it's something to do with, I don't know, they just build them quicker for America. Anyway, I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like. Let me know what you think of that crazy little Honda in the comments below. Click on those windows there for some more videos, and on that box there to go to CarWow to compare these cars quarter mile times to everything else we've ever drag raced. Thanks for watching.